What's good with y'all? What's good? Thank y'all for tuning in for another video. We're back at it. Got my fam Rick over here. About to go ahead and pop the ignition switch in. Cause y'all know I ain't been able to crank it. So he about to do that. Yeah, he do that. He do that too. He do it all. So he about to change the ignition switch. And then we should be able to fire this thing up. And only thing gotta be done is the brake stuff and the alternator, which I think we got this figured out. I think we got it figured out. I gotta check the back of it for something, but yeah, he about to change the ignition switch. Then man, hopefully y'all should see the car move today. It should move, cause y'all know I ain't been able to crank it up since cause the switch went out. And I had to, what else? Well, the switch was the main thing. So after the switch get fixed, it should be able to crank. Then we can put it in gear, see if it gonna move, which it should. You know, top the transmission fluid off and all that. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So had to jack the car up too. Let Rick check that cable car from the other day when I did it. Well, actually the same day, early today I meant. But when I did it, like I said, I got up on there and noticed. I didn't think it was snug, but he snugged it up for me. But you know, it was too much to put in one video, so we doing two. But he working on the switch, getting the switch removed. And like I said, I actually went and bought this stuff too, y'all, just to have it. I mean, I don't even know how to do that, but I'm gonna have tools that I might not need. But like I said, y'all know I'm building my tool collection up, so I went and got it too. You have to have a lock plate remover and the puller to get the steering wheel off. So, and some folks get the steering wheel off, they do it old school. Cause I seen Aunt do it. They just wiggle it back and forth, then it'll come out too. But yep, he checking everything out. Anything else messed up in there, Rick?
I can't see that right now. So
just the switch. Cause that switch went locked back, y'all. Y'all know the other video. That what happened.
See that? That thing here, remember? It went click back like it's supposed to.
Oh yeah. So he just checking the column out. Y'all need any work done too, number is on the screen. Y'all see how I get down? No performance to high performance. Like, he do it all.
Yes, sir.
Small job, big job. He know his stuff, so hit him up. Y'all know, I know y'all hit him up anyway already, so. But like I said, y'all should see the car move. This right here what was holding me up from moving the car. At least seeing if it'll roll and all that. Cause y'all saw the video, went out here to crank it. That was my video, boy. I got frustrated, boy. But yep. So when he get that in, we got the new switch down here. We get that in, y'all. We're gonna see what it do. All right. So Rick saved today again. Said sometimes it takes somebody else, man. I tell y'all all the time, I don't know everything. I know some, but I don't know everything. But y'all see the gear selector? I had tried to put it in a few days ago. Then when I told y'all in the video, actually I said they bent different, but I was actually doing it wrong. And I probably tripped something in the column. Cause Rick came over here, popped it in, and now the switch locking back. So my switch probably wasn't bad. But it ain't gonna hurt. It ain't gonna hurt having a new. But like I said, he got that fit. All good. And that probably, like I said, it's a wire in there too. It could have been causing problems with the stuff on the hood too. All because I was trying to stick that thing in there. So you never know. You never know, man. It can be any small little thing. But I had to think back when Rick brought that up. I was like, yeah. So he got that straightened out now. Like I said, we crank this thing up. Crank it up, it should move. Only thing I can think of, I gotta check to make sure the detent cable don't leak, but it shouldn't. Like I said, we got a new cable on here. I gotta hook it up. I gotta put the end on and hook it up, but yep, it coming down to the wire. Like, it coming down to the end. said, got this figured out. Cause I was asking Uncle about it too. He told me how to do this and all that. So, but yep, I just showing y'all that Rick going back together with the column now, and then we're gonna see if we can fire this thing up. All right, so y'all, we gotta turn the fuel pump on. About to try to crank it again. Got the switch straightened out. We ain't get it right. Well, it ain't gonna crank. All right, I'll try to crank this thing up. Down now. Gotta hook the electric choke wire up still. So I guess we're gonna set it on the ground. Don't look like we got no leaks. Alright, so we checking in. Sorry I didn't get the footage for y'all, but the car moves. We checked that, it does move, so that's a good thing. Y'all see, gave it a little gas and y'all already spinning the tire. Right there. So yeah, it do move. Rear end still operational, obviously. Cause this is pulling tire over here. But yeah. Now we trying to get this choke, get the electric choke hooked up, cause it gotta be hooked up, man. This thing do crazy stuff. You ain't got that choke hooked up. So we getting that choke hooked up, and it needs some transmission fluid in it, cause the reverse is weak. So it got low fluid pressure, obviously. Probably just need to be topped off, but it still got drive and all that, so it don't need much. So we gotta top that off and all that. But the smoke y'all see, it probably will stuff burning off the engine, handprints and stuff on the headers and all that. So that'll calm down. It ain't nothing serious, in case people wonder. No leaks, that's a good thing. I don't see no transmission fluid leaks, no gas leaks, cause y'all know I had just put the fuel pump on, changed it out. And I believe that helped too. It's already probably at the ideal fuel pressure, cause we ain't got no flooding going on no more. Engine running a whole lot better, so that was a good move, change that fuel pump. Pretty sure it's at ideal fuel pressure, like I said. But yep, oh yeah, the Holly Blue already gone. So yep, it ain't on the market no more. But yeah, Rick getting that hooked up. We winding down on Meech. So if they get it, just fine tuning now. So getting the wire, getting the choke hooked up. We topped the fluid off. Alternator brakes. This car be done. I'll be going to get the pipes hooked up, cause like I said, I don't think they're gonna hook up, but I'll be getting the pipes hooked up, and then y'all see this car on the road, and then we're gonna move forward with videos and content, giving y'all content with this cruiser right now. And yeah, but yep, just stay tuned. Gonna crank it up. I'm gonna get some footage of the car moving for y'all, so just stay tuned. Oh, the fuel pump ain't on.
That what it is?
Yeah, I had hit the switch.
You might have seen it go dry.
Nah, I just thought about it. Yeah, fuel pump ain't on, y'all. Working now. Got the electric truck working now, y'all. Fine tune. Alright, so y'all about to see it. It's moving. Rig about to move it. Y'all see it's in gear. We need some transmission fluid, so gotta put some fluid in it. Probably do that now. You know we ain't got no leaks. Alright, so Rick taking the fluid and about to top it out with transmission fluid. Reverse be strong and all that. Everything worked like it's supposed to. Y'all see the car running good now. He hooked the electric choke up. Everything running crisp. Smoking calming down. Like I said, it was just where we touched on the headers and all that stuff. Alright, so we checking in. I see it, sun going down. So give y'all a little update on everything going on right now. Just tinkering with the car, fine tuning and all that, finding the sweet spot of everything. Y'all see it do move. We had a leak. We had a transmission fluid leak. We caught it. It was the one had to tighten one of the clamps running to the cooler. Wasn't nothing major, we ain't leaking nothing else. I see he tested the rear end out a little bit, but I was in the car, so y'all see right there and over there. So it just gotta be fine tuned, and like I said, we gotta hook the alternator up. The alternator got to be hooked up. 'Cause we running, I think the battery running low. You know, the fuel pump draining days, been messing with it. Take the battery loose, but it probably getting low. So Rick sorting the plug out and all that now. Hooked the electric choke up. It definitely helped a whole lot. So yeah. So we're gonna be messing with that alternator plug a little bit. And pretty much they're gonna wrap this one up. Gonna wrap this video up. I just want to get it to y'all so y'all can see it move. I told y'all gonna get to see the car move today. Cause everything getting better and better. It's just fine tuning now. Just a lot of knick-knack stuff. Little knick-knack stuff. Well, it ain't even a lot, really. It ain't even a lot. I mean, it's on the home stretch. It's definitely on the home stretch for the drivetrain. He put the switch in today. Tinker with the carburetor, ran the electrode wire. Like I said, it's on the last stretch. That alternator plug, hooking the alternator up, is literally the last thing drivetrain related, and you know, it'll be ready to go. Cause we good. Ain't no leaks and none of that stuff. None of that crazy stuff. It moving, operating right. It go in the gear. It real violent, boy. When it go in the gear, it like it ready to take off. Lighten it up, so it like it ready to take off when you go in the gear. I'm talking about the whole car hopping up and everything. It ready to go. But it running a whole lot crispier than what it was. So we on the home stretch. Then, like I said, I get it running good. Put the exhaust on it. All the other little stuff gonna come in, man. You know, getting the insides cleaned out. Mounting the gauges, which I got that video coming. Headlights, and just touching the car up. And y'all see, I noticed something too. The lights, this whole side, none of the lights work. I don't know if it's a shortage or what, but if it is, I got another set of lights back there in the trunk. But that whole side over here, the passenger side, none of that lit up. You know, a little stuff like that you gotta do, bulb, whether it might need bulbs in it or whatever. Sorting that stuff out, cause you got to have that stuff operating to be on the road. So I'm gonna be doing all that. Then, like I said, we trying to get the drivetrain stuff sorted out first before doing the rotors and all that, cause it need to be running like it should first. Cause I know y'all probably wonder why I keep having that one tile on there, but it costs the rotors or whatever. I'm not putting another adapter on the car just to put the other tile on. I just did it on that side so I can roll the car around. Cause that tile over there was the one that was flat and wouldn't hold no air. So bless you. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Said I catch y'all on the next video. I appreciate everybody that been showing love, tuning in. Big Meech gonna be back on the road, tagging insert very soon. So you probably see me. Or you gonna see wife here somewhere. Gonna see the kids in the back. Y'all probably gonna spot it if you in Georgia, cause I'm be everywhere. So I catch y'all on that video.